Pay attention, because I'm about to expose exactly how I'm making over $1,200 every single day and how you can literally just copy paste what I'm doing. My name is Fred and I've made thousands of dollars a day in profit selling high ticket consulting. As a matter of fact, I had my first $1,000 day at 21 and my first $2,600 day at 22. And that's cash collected, by the way. So not even revenue. Revenue is like double. I'm literally giving you the entire playbook because I'm tired of seeing people waste years of their life on business models that are designed to keep you broke. And trust me, I wasted more than enough time on that garbage myself, so I know exactly what doesn't work. So if you're ready to actually make life-changing money instead of pennies, keep watching. If not, go back to school, go back to your 9 to 5, and stop complaining about being broke. The first thing I did to get to $1,200+ a day is that I gave up on every single popular business model you see plastered all over YouTube and TikTok. Yeah, I'm talking about dropshipping, affiliate marketing, print on demand, low-ticket monthly communities, all that jazz. And I know that's gonna make some people mad because they're out here grinding 18 hours a day trying to make these models work. But here's the brutal truth nobody wants to tell you. These business models are trash for 99% of people. They're low profit, they're insanely saturated, and unless you're already famous with a massive following, you're basically fighting for scraps at the bottom of a barrel. Think about it. With dropshipping, you're competing with literally millions of other stores selling the exact same products from the same suppliers. Your profit margins are razor thin, maybe 5 to 20% if you're lucky. You're dealing with shipping delays, angry customers, chargebacks, refunds, all while Facebook and TikToks are draining your bank account on ads that probably don't even convert. And don't even get me started on affiliate marketing. Sure, the top 1% are making bank, but those are people who already have huge audiences or they're spending tens of thousands on ads. For the average person starting from zero, you're just making pennies promoting other people's products while they keep all the real profit. It's literally a hammer wheel designed to keep you busy but broke. So I said, screw all that noise. I kept trying all these business models and I was going nowhere. I wasn't making any money. I was only wasting time. So I completely abandoned physical products and traditional online business models and went all in on something totally different. And this is where most people's minds get blown, because they never even considered this option. Instead of selling physical products that come with a million headaches like design costs, manufacturing, inventory, shipping, returns, all that expensive garbage, I started selling digital products. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Here's exactly why digital products are an absolute cheat code. The profit margins are insane. If you only do organic marketing, aka posting content, we're talking 90 to 98% profit. There's no inventory to manage, no shipping costs, no manufacturing, no returns eating into your profit. Everything is done remotely on the internet. You create the product one time and you can sell it for years to come. You can scale it to the moon without your costs going up proportionally. It's literally the closest thing to printing money legally that exists. And yet, most people are out here killing themselves trying to sell $50 t-shirts with a $5 profit margin. Make it make sense. But here's where it gets even better. I didn't just sell any digital product. I sold a high-ticket consulting offer. And this is the secret sauce that took me from making barely anything to making over $1,200 a day consistently. When I say high-ticket, I'm talking about offers priced between $1,000 all the way to $10,000. The average is around $3,000 to $5,000 per client. And I know what you're thinking. Who the hell is going to pay me $3,000 to $5,000? A lot of people, way more than you think. Because when you're solving a real, painful problem for someone, price becomes almost irrelevant. Let me break down the math for you, because this is where it gets stupid simple. Let's say you want to make $10,000 a month. Sounds like a big number, right? With a high-ticket offer priced at $5,000, you literally only need 2 clients per month. 2. That's it. Not 200, not 2,000. Just 2 human beings who see the value in what you're offering. Even if you price it at $3,000, you only need 4 clients a month to hit over $10,000. Just 4. Most people are out here trying to sell a $20 ebook and they need to make 500 sales just to hit 10 grand. Which one sounds easier to you? And this is where most people mess up. They think they need to sell some cheap stuff to get more customers. Wrong. That's broke person thinking. What's surprising is it's actually easier to sell one $5,000 offer than it is to sell $250, $20 products. Why? Because you're targeting a completely different type of customer. Someone who's willing to invest $5,000 is serious. They're committed. They're ready to take action. They're not tire kickers. They're not freebie seekers. They're actual buyers with real problems who need real solutions. Which brings me to the next critical piece. You need to focus on solving painful problems for people, not nice to haves, painful problems. The kind of problems that keep people up at night. The kind of problems that make people desperate for a solution. Because here's a fundamental truth about human psychology. People will pay far more money to fix something that's causing them pain than they will to get something that's nice to have. That's just how we're wired for survival reasons. Let me give you a perfect example. A fidget spinner is a nice to have. It's entertaining. It can be fun to some people, sure. Maybe it helps you focus a little bit. How much does it cost? Like $5, maybe 10 max? Now compare that to a program that helps someone to quit drinking. That's solving a deep, painful problem. That is someone who's destroying their relationships, their health, their career because of alcohol. That person will gladly pay $3, $4, $5,000 for a solution that actually works. Same thing with helping people to invest in real estate so they can quit their 9 to 5, or helping them fix their failing marriage, or helping them overcome crippling anxiety. These are painful problems, and painful problems command premium prices. So stop trying to sell people on nice to have features and benefits. Find the pain. Find what's keeping your ideal customer up at 3 in the morning, staring at the ceiling, feeling hopeless. Because that is where the money is. That is where people will throw their credit card at you, begging you to take their money. Because when someone is in real pain, price is just not that important anymore. They just want the pain to stop. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Now, this is probably the most important thing I'm going to tell you in this entire video, so listen up. Don't try to do everything alone. Don't be the stubborn person who think they can figure it all out by themselves to save a few bucks. Look, I was that person, okay? I have no shame admitting it. I was stubborn as hell, and I was broke. I only had like a few $100 in my bank account, maybe a few grand in savings account, and I thought I could just YouTube my way to success and figure everything out myself to avoid spending money and taking a risk. And you know what that mindset got me? Almost nothing, except years of wasted time, spinning my wheels, going nowhere. I'm talking years, plural. Years of my life that I can never get back. Years I could have been making 6 figures if I had just swallowed my pride and invested in working with a mentor from day one. Because here's what nobody tells you. Trying to figure this stuff out alone is the most expensive decision you'll ever make. Not because of money, because of time. Time you can't buy back. Time you're spending broke and frustrated when you could be making real money. As soon as I finally stopped being cheap and worked with a mentor who had already done the things I wanted to do, everything changed. And I'm not exaggerating when I say this. I increased my income by over 24,000%. Yes, you heard that right. 24,000%. Because instead of fumbling around in the dark, trying 15 different strategies that don't work, I had someone show me exactly what to do step by step. Someone who'd already made all the mistakes so I didn't have to. Someone who could look at my business and tell me exactly what was broken and how to fix it. So stop being a brokey, thinking you know better than people who are already where you want to be. You don't. I didn't. None of us do when we're starting out. That's why mentorship exists. That's why people pay for coaching and courses and masterminds. Because the ROI on investing in yourself is infinite. Literally infinite. You might spend a few $1,000s on the right mentor, the right program, whatever, and they help you make hundreds of thousands or millions over your lifetime. Do the math. What university degree allows you to do this? None. It's the easiest decision you'll ever make. Look, I'm gonna be real with you. Everything I just laid out is exactly how I went from broke and struggling to making over $1,200 every single day. It's not theory. It's not some motivational garbage nonsense. It's the actual playbook. Give up the saturated trash business models everyone's pushing like dropshipping, for fuck's sake. Sell digital products with high profit margins. Make them high ticket so you only need a handful of clients. Focus on solving painful problems that people will pay premium prices to fix. And invest in mentorship so you're not wasting years trying to reinvent the wheel. That's it. Now you can either take this information and actually do something with it, or you can keep doing what you've been doing and wondering why you're still broke. It's your choice. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day in profit and how you can copy my method, I've made a free training that will show you everything. The link is in the description below. You can also apply to book a call with me or a member of my team, and we'll help you implement everything step by step so you can get your first customers as quickly as possible. Now be quick, we've got very limited spots for that. And with that said, I will see you on the other side.